Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Oliver Grange, or the Minister for Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, up one second shelter our government a go run for woman beat up. The Ministry for Health and Wellness say over 1,000 somebody come out come take them COVID-19 booster shot from Monday. The government said them remind everybody say the market them a go open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Saturday until January 13. Pakistan beat the West Indies 3-0 in them T20 series after them beat them by 7 wickets in the last match. Now for the full tour of them. Olivia Grange, or the Minister for Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, up one second shelter where government a go run for women who get beat up. Grange says she happy so the second shelter open. The minister opened the shelter with some people from the High Commission for Canada and some women from the United Nations who helped the ministry build up the shelter them. According to Grange, this is the second out of 3 shelter we go build up and them ready for taking women and picnic who get beat up cause them no fear living at them situation there. On top of that, the ministry said the shelter in one secret location and any woman who need help must call the National Helpline on 876-553-0372. The Ministry for Health and Wellness say over 1,000 somebody come out to take them COVID-19 booster shot from Monday. The ministry did start give booster shot to the healthcare workers and people over 60 first. Then them say everybody over 18 who fully vaccinated can get it. According to Dr. Melody Ennis, who run the family health service in the ministry, enough all people come out for them joke, and like all people over 18 can get the joke now, more people are going to come out. Dr. Ennis says she have begged the rest of people them who fully vaccinated for come out and take them booster shot. The government said them remember everybody, so the market them are going from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Saturday until January 13. Some change make under the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA, for make the hours them longer from December 10. The market them are going lock on Sunday and public holiday. Desmond McKenzie, or the Minister for Local Government and Rural Development, did a talk in the House of Representatives and he said the market are going until 12 o'clock on Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve. On top of that, him say people must remember say no party can keep and no round robin no for keep cause the municipal corporation and the police now give no permit for them sitting here keep. The police said them ask everybody else to find one woman from Cuba who live in a Greater Portmore St. Catherine who get reported missing. The woman at 34 years old, Yenny Campbell, and people last year in the community of Silverstone on Friday, December 10. According to the police, around 4:30 p.m., people did last Campbell our yard. Nobody know what she did have on. The Portmore police asked anybody who know which party Yenny Campbell there for call them pan 876-949-8422. Police 119 are the nearest police station. News from the rest of the Caribbean. The St. Vincent and the Grenadines Teachers Union, SVGTU, said 13 teachers get fired from them work because them not take the COVID-19 vaccine. The St. Vincent government did turn it in a law that every frontline worker must take the vaccine unless them have medical and religious reason why them not for take it. Under the government vaccine law, even if you show up for work and you not take the vaccine, that means that you're not dead the same way. The union says so far, 13 teachers get letters say them get fired. On top of that, most of the teachers them say them not getting a pay for December and the money should have reached them account from Wednesday. The union said them are going to continue fight for the rights of the teacher them. Now for sports. Pakistan beat the West Indies 3-0 in a them T20 series after them beat them by 7 wickets in the last match yesterday were kept in Karachi. The West Indies bat first and make 203 runs and Pakistan met the runs with 7 balls left. On top of that, the Pakistan and Cricket West Indies CWI call off the 3 one-day international match after 4 West Indies players test positive for coronavirus. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall, and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.